Welcome everyone, welcome to Lab Edition, welcome to the channel. Hope everyone is okay. Today we're talking about some wallpapers, and I found one very nice wallpaper. It's a quick one. So it calls 4D parallax wallpaper, and I downloaded it, and just playing with it. It is very cool. And the best thing is that you don't have to pay anything. There's no coins available. You don't have to buy the coins, and you don't have to pay anything. This is a totally free app, but the only thing you have to watch the advertisements. So but it's a good deal. And just skip the advertisements, and then you download. The only thing you have to download whenever you're using this app, downloading something, then you have to see the advertisements, and it's good for business. So just download, just watch some advertisements, and then it will give you free wallpaper, free access to the app. And I'm just gonna say set. Wallpaper has been applied. As you can see, it's quite nice and it looks very cool. The graphics are very good. So this is one of the best app that you can download free 4D and 3D wallpapers. As you can see, it looks very cool, very nice, and then you must try this app called 4D parallax wallpaper from Android Play Store and App Store, also in iOS devices. This is a little scary. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.